Ever pushed a Docker image and accidentally shipped your AWS credentials with it? Every time you build a Docker image, Docker sends your entire project directory, the build context, to the Docker daemon. Without a .dockerignore file, that means node_modules with hundreds of megabytes. Your .get history, test fixtures, and local config files all get bundled into the image. A .dockerignore file tells Docker exactly what to skip, keeping your image lean and your build context small. A smaller build context means the Docker daemon receives less data, which directly speeds up your builds. There is another benefit too. If you do not ignore frequently changing files like logs or test outputs, Docker may invalidate its layer cache unnecessarily, forcing a full rebuild every single time. The most critical reason, security. If your project contains a .env file, SSH keys, API credentials, or any secrets, they can silently end up baked into your Docker image layers. Even if you delete them in a later layer, those files are still accessible in the image history. A .dockerignore file ensures secrets never enter the build context in the first place. Use a .dockerignore file to reduce image size, speed up builds, and most importantly, keep your secrets out of your Docker images. Like and subscribe for more. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.